a people united, striving to achieve a common good for all members of society, will always emerge victorious. End of quote. Mr. President, members of the court, I thank you, and I now respectfully ask that Professor Phoebe Okoa be called to address the legal questions before the court.
I thank Mrs. Dosab. I now give the floor to Professor Phoebe Okoa. You have the floor, Professor.
Mr. President, Madam Vice President, members of the court, it's a great honor for me to appear before you in these proceedings and a special privilege to do so on behalf of the Republic of Namibia. Our presentation is in 3 parts. First, I will make 2 general observations on why the court should answer the request in its entirety and why Israel's occupation is illegal.